Before one workout changes your look, it shocks your biology from inside first. At dawn, Tom's body resists movement, but one decision starts everything changing today. The second his shoes tighten, his brain predicts effort and prepares survival systems. That first landing step tells every cell the lazy routine is officially over. Motor cortex fires commands fast, turning intention into coordinated movement across Tom instantly. His heart speeds up, pushing oxygen forward like an emergency crew on duty. His lungs stretch wider, trading stale air for fuel his muscles urgently need. Blood vessels widen near working muscles, delivering nutrients with sudden bright precision everywhere. Stored glycogen begins breaking down because motion demands quick energy before fat catches. Inside each muscle, mitochondria awake like tiny furnaces preparing to burn harder today. His joints glide smoother as synovial fluid spreads, reducing friction with every repetition. Sweat glands switch on quietly, cooling Tom before heat can sabotage performance today. Then endorphins arrive, softening discomfort and replacing panic with surprising pleasure fast inside. Dopamine rewards the effort, teaching Tom that struggle can feel deeply satisfying too. After movement, cortisol starts dropping, and his brain stops sounding internal alarms constantly. Muscle cells open wider for glucose, making insulin work smarter, not harder now. Tiny muscle fiber damage appears, not dangerous, just the blueprint for growth later. Repair crews rush in, stitching protein into stronger tissue than yesterday ever was. That night, growth hormone rises, turning sleep into a secret rebuilding laboratory inside. Thirst suddenly matters more because water carries every chemical message Tom needs today. Regular exercise makes sleep pressure stronger, so bedtime finally feels natural again tonight. In deep sleep, his brain and muscles synchronize repair with astonishing efficiency overnight. Morning soreness feels rude, but it proves adaptation is already underway inside. By day 3, circulation improves, and Tom feels warmer, lighter, more awake already. By day 5, mood swings shrink because movement stabilizes stress chemistry beautifully daily. Within a week, his resting heart needs fewer beats to do more work. His posture straightens because stronger back muscles stop gravity from winning constantly now. Core muscles brace his spine better, turning ordinary standing into controlled strength daily. Bones notice the load and answer by laying down denser mineral structure slowly. Tendons and ligaments toughen patiently, learning to transfer force without complaint over time. Balance sharpens as hidden sensors in his joints report position faster to brain. Tiny new capillaries spread around muscles, improving delivery routes for oxygen everywhere there. More mitochondria appear, which means Tom can produce energy longer before fading out. Fat cells release stored fuel more willingly once daily effort becomes predictable routine. Inflammation calms when recovery matches challenge and the body stops overreacting wildly inside. Moderate daily movement trains immune cells to patrol smarter, not lazily wandering anymore. Even his gut benefits, moving food better and supporting friendlier bacteria balance daily. Exercise boosts BDNF, a brain fertilizer that helps neurons connect and survive better. Focus sharpens because his brain now filters noise without drowning in distraction anymore. Stress still arrives, but Tom's body recovers faster instead of spiraling down badly. Repetition rewires habit circuits, so exercise becomes expected, not negotiated every morning anymore. Soon stairs stop feeling personal because his cardiovascular system finally cooperates with him. Endurance expands quietly, letting effort last longer without stealing his smile midway anymore. Blood pressure steadies as vessels become more flexible and responsive under demand daily. Better circulation reaches skin too, giving Tom that annoyingly healthy post-workout glow everyone. His shape changes subtly as muscle rises and unused fat slowly retreats back. Confidence grows from evidence because his body keeps proving it can adapt daily. Inside, heart, lungs, brain, and muscles now coordinate like a practiced band together. What started as discipline becomes identity, and Tom no longer argues himself daily. Exercise every day does not just shape you, it rewires your future completely.